Hey guys, my camera decided to stop, so to start again, I am opening a full case of SP Game News, 8-box case, few packs in, get Slav jersey, Shifley Team Canada jersey, and here I have a Brett Connolly Team Canada jersey. As I was saying, my girlfriend's right here next to me, opening one box while I open the other one. We got another Team Canada jersey of Chris Pronger. Base. This is insanely thick, but it's not anything nice. We got an inked sweater jersey and auto out of 99 of Matt Reed. Oh, that looks beautiful. And I got a patch too. So, my patch, it's actually a Fight Strap, numbered 7 out of 15 of Carey Price. Fight Strap. Pretty sweet. And his girlfriend has a Draft Day Marks, numbered 31 of 35, with a manufactured patch and autograph of Carter Ashton. Pretty. Team Canada jersey fabrics of Devontae Smith-Pelly. Hopefully it's a real jersey and not a stamp. Ha 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 ha. My box finishes with a Milan Hajduk Authentic Fabrics jersey. And I heard a ooh, so her hit might be better than mine. It is numbered 65 out of 92, significant numbers, jersey and auto, Gabriel Landeskog. Pretty sweet. Alright. First two boxes, very nice, very nice. There we go for you. Very good for me. Beautiful product. So far, I mean, the hits are at least as good as previous years, but for such a lower price point, big difference for a case of those cards. It's just a huge difference. Got our first dual Authentic Fabrics dual jersey of Euro McGinley and Mika Kiprasov. And another dual Authentic Fabrics Team Canada of Rick Nash and Mike Richards. Here we have an autograph, not numbered, of Marc-Andre Fleury. And another autograph, rookie auto of Akim Aliu. Not numbered either. Almost looks like the hits are in the same order. Here we have a very nice Team Canada quad jersey. Not numbered. It's weird. Brian Ellis, Eric Gudbranson, Dylan Olsen, and Calvin DeHaan. Very nice quad jersey. Love all those Team Canada pieces. Here we have another dual jersey of Carter Ashton and Casey Cizikas. Team Canada. Apparently Team Canada stuff is cheaper. I don't know. Oh, we have a huge patch. Most likely dual. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's very pretty. Here we have, how was that called? 2012 Stanley Cup Final Materials Net Chords, number 23 of 25 of Anton Volchenkov. Very nice piece. Wow. See, it's a nice piece of net. And here, very nice, Authentic Fabrics patch with 3 colors and 4 breaks. Numbered 16 of 35, Mikey Moe with his right team. Base. And last pack from each box. to hit the halfway point in the case. I got Team Canada Fabrics jersey gold jersey numbered out of 27 of Scott Niedermayer. Very nice short print. And we finish with a Team Canada jersey of Zach Boychuk. Beautiful stuff. Man, I love this product.
Je pense que les autres, il y avait pas d'autographe.
Hmm?
J'ai pas regardé.
Ben oui, t'as pas eu un autographe de Hakim Aliou.
Non, non, mais je parlais des autres bases.
Ah non, je pense pas.
C'est un hit. Ça.
C'est un autographe par boîte minimum. Il peut en avoir plus. Mais...
Les dernières.
Non, il en reste 4.
4 boîtes encore.
Ouais. Boxes 5 and 6. Here I have jersey of Chris Kreider, Authentic Fabrics jersey. And a dual jersey of Marty Brodeur and Ilya Kovalchuk. Team Canada jersey of Casey Cizikas. And the dual jersey of David Krejci and Brad Marchand. Starting slow for those 2 boxes. Here we have another Team Canada jersey of Simon Desprez. And a triple jersey of Paul Stastny, Matt Duchene, and Gabriel Landeskog. Sweet. And a Joe Pavelski base card. Still waiting for the autographs. And I believe it is. Yes, autograph of Dion Phaneuf. And the rookie autograph of Carter Ashton. And we finish this 2 box with a patch for me. Oh, that's pretty. Very nice dual patch, numbered 18 of 25 of Pavel Datsyuk and Johan Franzen. Very nice patch on the Franzen. And we finish with a bonus autograph. Yeah, second autograph in that box. Gabriel Landeskog base auto.
Tu l'avais eu, lui,
De?
T'avais eu un autographe de lui déjà?
Ouais, mais c'était avec le chandail. Un jersey auto. Alright, up to the last 2 boxes. Yours and mine. There's missing that one big hit. Still happy with the break, how it looks. Got some pretty decent hits so far, but we're just missing that huge hit. Got a Pecorine Authentic jerseys. First thing, a lot less of those base jerseys this year. Although we got a bunch of Team Canada ones, but Team Canada is a bit better. Got an authentic rookie autograph of Jussi Arenas. Something like that. Here we have a jersey, Team Canada, Patrice Bergeron. And Team Canada jersey of Calvin Hahn. Authentic Fabrics jersey of Scott Hartnell. Oh! Ah! It is in a sleeve. It is in a sleeve. We got an Authentic Fabrics 8-way jersey. That's freaking beautiful. On this side, we got Patrick Roy, Ed Belfour, Curtis Joseph, and Marty Brodeur. On the other, we got Dominic Hasek, Ryan Miller, Tim Thomas, and Jonathan Quick. And I don't see any numbering, strangely. Maybe it's there. And it's not even the right... Oh, that's weird. So I got the wrong certificate of authenticity with... It's not the right one. So I got the COA for the top 8 rookies of Kreider, Schwartz, Barchi, and blah blah blah. And I got 8 goaltenders in there, so I'm gonna contact Upper Deck with this. So a very pretty card, but I'm confused with the lack of numbering on the card. It should be numbered. I can't believe they didn't number it. Anyway. So here we have an Authentic Rookies autograph of Maxime Sauvé. Still haven't received a single Authentic Rookie. Got Team Canada jersey of Jared Cohen. And the last 2 packs, I have a sleeve in there too, so I'll wait on this one. Authentic jersey, Team Canada, Patrice Cormier. And we finish with a second sleeve. Sleeved. You almost saw my girlfriend. God. Here we have, is that the right one? It's the right one. Authentic Fabrics 5-way jersey, 5 pieces. On this side we have Derek Roy, Drew Stafford, Tyler Myers. And on the other side we got Ryan Miller and Thomas Pack. So there you have it with this COA, which is the right one this time. Beautiful product, beautiful product. Got a lot of very nice hits. I'm going to contact Upper Deck over that little issue here. As you can see, Authentic Fabrics 8. It says Kreider, Schwartz, Barchi, Sheehan, Glennie, Silverberg, and Barry. And obviously, those are not the players I have here. So I'll have to contact them about that. And you can see my girlfriend right down in the corner. That's it. So hope you enjoyed the break. I definitely did. I'll see you later with more stuff. And that's it. Bye.